everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Favor. I am the founder of El-Ezer clothing. In today's video, I will be sharing with you the 20 basic tailoring tools every beginner must have. Yes, you heard me. 20 tools every beginner must have. Okay? If you are planning to learn sewing or you want to start your tailoring business, these are the 20 most essential tools that will make your journey easier. Okay, let's get started. Number one on my list, if I have any of these tools around, I can show you the picture. Number one on my list is the measuring tape, of course. This is my measuring tape, and this measuring tape have two sides. The first is on inches and the other is on cm. Okay, I think I should make a short video on how to read the tape, or a pictorial tutorial on how to read the tape. I will do that, is a promise. So this is used to take accurate body measurement and measure your fabric before cutting. This is also a measuring tape. Okay, then the second on my list is your scissors. A good fabric scissors is used for cutting your fabric neatly, and I will advise, please, when you want to start your tailoring journey, get two scissors, one for your fabric and the other for your paper. Please don't use your fabric scissors to cut paper, it will get dull easily. Please, the next on my list is your tailoring chalk or your fabric pen. This is used to mark your sewing lines, your dart and other pattern details on your fabric. Okay, this is your tailor's chalk. I don't have a fabric pen around me, and it can easily be removed during sewing or after sewing. Okay, it can vanish. Yes. Then the next on my list is your seam ripper. This is your seam ripper. We have a lot of designs. This is the one I have. This is your seam ripper. It is used to remove stitches when you make mistake. Yes, anybody can make, even the pro, they make mistake. Yes. So when you make mistake, you use this to pick out your seams very neatly and without damaging your fabric. Okay. Then the next on my list is your hand needle. I hope you can see this. The video is somehow okay, you can see it, right? This is your hand needle. You can use it to tack your buttons and make any quick repair, okay, on your project. Now the next on my list is your sewing thread. We have good sewing thread. When you want to make clothes, please go for quality sewing thread and choose the one that matches your fabric, okay, so that the outcome of your project will be very nice. Okay, now the next on my list is your bobbin. Your bobbin your bobbin this is a small tool that hold your lower thread in your sewing machine. This is bobbin. This is for manual machine and this is for industrial sewing machine. Okay, you can get as many as possible because it will help you, as in not to waste your thread. Okay, you can get as many as you can. Okay, the next on my list is your office pin, your safety pin, your safety pin, or your cushion pin. Okay, this will help you to hold your fabrics together during cutting or during sewing. It makes your work come out very neatly. Okay, next on my list is your pressing iron. It is used to remove wrinkles and press your seam during and after sewing. See, pressing is very essential when it comes to this tailoring. If you want to get a very professional neat finishing, you need your ironing, a very good pressing iron. Okay, next on my list is your cutting table. I cannot lift my table to show you your cutting table. Just get a cutting table, a cutting space. Okay, then your pressing board or your pressing table. That's number 11. Then number 12 on my list is your pattern paper. Very, very important. And when you are getting a pattern, there are different type of pattern paper. This is the brown pattern paper. Okay, when you are talking about pattern paper, you know your pencil inclusive, your eraser, your sharpener. Okay, because these are the tools you are going to use to work on this. Yes, this is used to draft sewing patterns before cutting them on fabric. Yes, you can draft your trouser here, you can draft your shirt here, you can draft whatever you want to sew your trouser here before you transfer them to your fabric for sewing. Then the number 13 on my list is your notebook for measurement. Yes, you need a measurement notebook. Yes, to make your work very easy it will, it's not when a client come to you, use a piece of paper, probably when you are ready to sew the clothes, you can't find the measurement, you are going to call the client, please, I will need to take another it's embarrassing. Get a measurement book for your customers, okay? Then next one is lecture notes. Whether you are learning online or you are learning physically, get a note, jot down key points, okay? There are times you will need them. You just go back, you cannot remember everything you watched, you cannot remember everything you were taught in your fashion school. Get a notebook for your lectures. Take down take down you can even draw, you can take down step by step on how a pocket is made, step by step on how a waistband is made. Jot down the key points. Definitely you will need it one day. You will come back here and tell me thank you for that. Then the next is your fabric. Yes, you will need a fabric when you want to start learning. You need fabric to practice, okay? Then your masking tape. This is a masking tape. You will need it during pattern drafting, okay? Use it to hold your pattern paper together, okay? Then next on my list is your machine oil. If you have a sewing machine already as a beginner, you need your machine oil. And it is very important that you oil your machine regularly. If you want your machine to last long for you, you don't want to have problem with your machine, please oil your machine at least once in a week. Oil your machine, okay? The next on my list, the last on my list is your pin cushion or your magnet pin. Is a pin holder. I don't have any close to me, okay? Use it to hold your pin during sewing. It will be easy for you to access, okay? Thank you. Thank you. I'm so excited to have you on my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Please, if you have found this video very helpful, please click on the like button and please subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. And please share this video so that others can learn. Thank you for joining my community once again. See you in my next video. Bye.